Welcome to our HVAC troubleshooting channel. Today, we'll be discussing the Samsung Inverter AC error C464. In this video, we'll cover what this error means, the common causes, its effects, and step-by-step solutions to fix it safely and efficiently. What is error C464? Error C464 occurs when the inverter power module, or IPM, detects excessive current flowing through the AC system. The IPM acts as a protective device, safeguarding the compressor and main PCB from overcurrent damage. When this error appears, the compressor may stop, and the AC will shut down, preventing normal operation until the issue is resolved. Common causes. There are several common causes of error C464. First, short circuits or electrical faults, such as damaged compressor windings, wiring, or PCB components, can trigger this error. Second, compressor issues, including a locked rotor or mechanical failure, may lead to overcurrent. Third, overload conditions caused by high voltage spikes or unstable power supply can affect the IPM. Fourth, an aging or defective IPM module on the PCB itself can be the culprit. Finally, external factors such as poor grounding, dust, moisture, or rodent damage to wires may also cause this error. How to fix error C464? To fix error C464, follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn off the AC and wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then restart the unit. Step 2. Inspect all wiring, terminals, and connections for any signs of damage or short circuits. Step 3. Check the compressor for mechanical issues, such as a locked rotor or unusual noises. Step 4. Measure the supply voltage to ensure a stable and proper power input. Step 5. If the IPM is found to be faulty, replace the inverter PCB or the IPM module. Step 6. Ensure proper grounding and clean any dust or moisture around the electrical components to prevent future issues. Following these steps will help you resolve Samsung AC error C464 efficiently and safely. Make sure to handle electrical components carefully and always consult a professional if you are unsure about any step. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get more professional HVAC troubleshooting guides and tips.